Welcome to this Windows, Computers, and Technology channel. And, it's a big thank you that I want to give to everybody that follows me, to all the people that are supporting me, to all the people that are giving me positive comments and that enjoy my content. When I read your comments of how this is one of the first places you go to because you trust it, it's one of the first places you want to come to for the latest updates on software, on Windows, on security, and more. Well, you know what? You make my day. This is why I continue actually making videos. I love doing this. This is part of my daily routine that I just find fun to go to, learn about technology even more, and help you learn about your technology that you're using every day. Well, we've reached the milestone, 100,000 subscribers, actually a little more at the time that we're talking about right now. So this is cool. This is amazing, thinking that, when I started all of this a few years ago, and this channel has been around for 2012. Since 2012, it had and went through different changes over time. And, it is now focused on a little broader look at technology, not just Windows itself. But, looking in the future also, because this channel is what technology is. It's going to adapt and change itself throughout years as, we move from one platform to the other to different things that technology has to offer. I know it can offer even more than that. I know there are things that maybe you want to see that is not here. And so, the first thing I want to say is thank you. And, of course, the second thing is, if you have anything about technology that you think would be a nice thing to focus on also and have videos about on the channel here, well, let me know. And just post what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like to see maybe that isn't here. And, just have the comments come in so that I can take note, adapt myself, and try to adapt this channel to what I want to be, the content that you want to see. It's not always easy to wake up in the morning and think about what are the videos I'm going to talk about today, what are the things that I can talk about. There are days where it's difficult, and you got to really, really scratch your mind of, okay, what am I going to talk about today? There are days where the content comes to you because there's all sorts of updates and all sorts of things happening. But it's always fun to do this. And so you can help by, of course, posting what you'd like to see more of. And once again, I want to say a big thank you to all of you, because without you guys, this would not be possible. And without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So thanks again. And looking for the future, who knows, maybe that million subscribers someday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you so much.